Water is a unified construct of water droplets. Water has different properties than a single water droplet. A water droplet is the unified construct of water molecules. Water molecules are the unified construct of hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Atoms are the unified construct of protons, electrons, and neutrons. Protons and neutrons are the unified construct of up and down quarks. Electrons and up and down quarks are fundamental particles, but even they have a single, unified form they can take. This is known as wave-particle duality. Based on this observation, I argue that wave-particle duality is ontological. We can even see such unified types of constructs at scales beyond us, like the Fibonacci sequence, the shape of hurricanes, and the spirals of galaxies. I have a theory of everything that states repetitive information, or static information, is ontologically impossible. I could refer to the Heisenberg uncertainty principle to support this, as it states there is always a flux of information at quantum scales, just like how it is impossible to reach absolute 0 Kelvin. I also argue based on such observation that this non-repetitive law is the single ontology every other law must follow, independent of referential scales. This unified and non-repetitive nature is observed at all scales of the cosmos. When something takes a particle or unified shape like a water atom, it indicates it has intrinsically consistent non-repetitive information. This happens because the electron orbitals and their inner color charges and spin always alternate their properties. However, when something takes a wave shape like photons, it indicates that it has intrinsically repetitive information relative to a referential frame. For example, photons have spin 1, which indicates their spin orientation is repetitive. The property of light must be non-static from any reference frame to avoid violating repeatability. This happens to be an intrinsic property of photons. This law of non-repeatability becomes the foundation of time, entropy, and energy. With this description of nature, space becomes epiphenomenal to time, although still directly connected.